Full yellow hibiscus, and then a pink hibiscus. Ooh, you see those up there? It's raining over here, but it's really... Ow, look at that. Hold on. Whoops. All right. See how pretty that is? Flower is really pretty. This hibiscus. Okay. Well, I just have a thing with hibiscus, so that's why I mentioned it. Oh, there's something else. That pretty red one. I don't know what that one's called. Okay. Until next time, guys. Go see the ones in the back. Until next time, subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles with a dash in between each word, and my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenabasis-secret pathfinder.